Understanding instant execution in forex trading. As a forex trader, it's essential to grasp the mechanics of instant execution and proper lot size management to optimize trading strategies. Here's a breakdown. 1. Instant execution overview. Instant execution allows traders to buy or sell currency pairs at the current market price. This ensures immediate execution of trades without delay. 2. Setting lot size based on account size. Proper lot size management is crucial for risk management and account preservation. Traders should adjust their lot size in accordance with their account size to maintain prudent risk levels. 3. Types of entry orders. Buy limit and sell limit traders can set entry levels for long or short positions, along with stop loss and take profit levels, to execute trades at predetermined price levels. Buy stop and sell stop. These orders are used to capitalize on potential breakout opportunities. Traders set buy stop orders above the current market price and sell stop orders below it. Placing orders. Once all parameters, including lot size and entry-exit levels, are set, traders can confirm and execute their trades by clicking the appropriate place order button. This can be in the form of sell buy stop or sell buy limit orders,